Warm greetings. Today is Sunday, September 15th, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. In this video, I would like to discuss the forecast for the recently designated Potential Tropical Cyclone number 80 of the season, which is associated with a low-pressure system located to the east of South Carolina and has a high chance of becoming Tropical Storm Helene within the next 24 hours. For this reason, a tropical storm warning has been issued for parts of North and South Carolina. It is projected that this system will move in during the early hours of Monday. Residents of the North Carolina and South Carolina coasts should be finalizing preparations for tropical storm force winds. Before I talk about this forecast, I wanted to mention that Tropical Storm Gordon has been weakening over the past few days. It is currently a tropical depression, but it is projected to re-intensify into Tropical Storm Gordon, and fortunately, will remain on a path away from land. Now, let's focus on the region east of South Carolina, where we can clearly see this low-pressure system, which, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, has been acquiring tropical characteristics, largely thanks to the Gulf Stream, which brings warm waters parallel to the southeastern coast of the U.S. This has allowed the system to organize, and now there is a high probability that it will become a tropical storm before moving over South Carolina. Even though the center of circulation is still offshore from North and South Carolina, some tropical storm force winds will begin to affect the coastlines of both states due to the large extent of winds to the north and northeast of the circulation. You can see that the specialized track models all project that the center of circulation will make landfall during the afternoon or evening of Monday in South Carolina. But remember that the effects will also be felt further north, across much of North Carolina. At least the good news is that this system will have limited time over the Atlantic waters, so it is currently projected to make landfall as a weak tropical storm. You can see that in general, the intensity models all agree that it will make landfall as a tropical storm, with maximum sustained winds between 45 and 50 miles per hour. This aligns with the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, which projects the center of circulation to move over the South Carolina coast around 2 p.m. tomorrow, Monday, and eventually move over parts of northern South Carolina and western North Carolina. Here you can see the tropical storm warning that extends from North Carolina to South Carolina, and specifically along the coast, where we anticipate some tropical storm force wind gusts. In this animation, you can see the projections of wind gusts over the next 48 hours. The orange color represents tropical storm force winds that will mostly affect the southern coast of North Carolina and the coast of South Carolina. Additionally, some wind gusts between 35 to 40 miles per hour may affect areas in eastern South Carolina, but this wind shouldn't cause major issues. And remember, these systems also come with significant rainfall. For example, the American model, GFS, projects that North Carolina and South Carolina could receive between 3 to 6 inches of rain over the next 48 hours, which could lead to localized flooding. If you live in a flood-prone area in North or South Carolina, you should stay alert to the system's development and the rain it will bring to the region, at least until Tuesday or Wednesday. As of the most recent 7 p.m. bulletin, the National Hurricane Center has just increased the chances of it becoming a tropical storm to 80%. Well, that's all for this video. I hope our viewers in North and South Carolina are prepared for the effects of this future tropical storm. I will record a new video tomorrow morning to update this forecast. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go to the bottom of the video, click the red button that says subscribe, and then click the bell to receive notifications when I post new videos. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you tomorrow.